Today, T takes on replacing a bathroom faucet. Alright, here we go. Step 1 is to turn off our water supply for both the hot and the cold. Make sure it's nice and tight. Next, I'm going to use some pliers to loosen the hot and cold lines that go to the sink. Next, I'm going to go ahead and remove the clamp for the drain rod. And while I'm at it, I'm going to go ahead and remove the nuts for the sink itself. 1, 2. Oh, that one's really broken. It's just shattering, coming apart here. I did not tighten these. I guess the last plumber, when they installed it, they might have over tightened it. That's not good. And now there shouldn't be anything holding it down. I should be able to move the faucet now. Now I should be able to remove the faucet itself. And there we go. Looks like there's some plumber's putty right here. Let's go ahead and clean that up. Now it's time to remove the drain. Not quite sure how to remove this. Oh, there you go. So I'm holding the top here and twisting the drain tube. This is a screw on. There we go. And that's pretty gross. And then if I bring this down here, now the drain comes all done. All right, let's clean this up and let's go install the rest of the faucet. Alright, next I'm going to go ahead and install the drain, making sure that the overflow hole lines up with the overflow hole on this side facing me right here. Drop that in. Can't see. There we go. That looks good. Some flush right in there. With that being done, I'm going to go ahead and put this gasket and nut underneath it. Okay, now with the drain installed, I can go ahead and connect this to the rest of my outlet. Alright, now let's go on top and actually install the rest of the faucet. here we go. We have a little plate that's going to go on top. It's a nice little rubber gasket that goes all the way around, so don't need to worry about plumber's putty. On the right side here, the actual faucet here, it's labeled cold, so we're going to go ahead and take this off. I know it's the right side. Alright, so one thing we're going to do here before I start is going to wrap the ends here with some Teflon tape. Make sure we have a good seal. Then we connect our hot and cold lines in. There's one. Go to the other side. Alright, now with that being done, we can go ahead and make sure that's nice and smooth. Go down, go ahead and set this down. Make sure it's nice and centered. Alright, now with the faucet installed on top, all you have left to do is install these little nuts. We'll hand tighten these all the way. Okay, before I completely tighten it down, make sure it's nice and centered. Then I can go ahead and start cranking these boys down. Okay, it's tight. All we need to do now is hook up our line ends, hot or cold. That's good hand tighten there. All we need to do is just a little bit of tightening with the wrench. Alright, here we go. Here's the moment of truth. Let's turn on the water. Both sides. Okay, no leaks down here. Let's turn on the water. No leaks underneath. Alright, good. Turn this off. Okay, and now with the faucet installed, the only thing we need to do now is replace drain cover. There we go. And shove it down in there. See the Kohler logo. There you go. That's your push drain. Looks great. Hot water. Cold's working. Hot's working. And push drain. That's working just great. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next T Takes On.